Welcome to EEMS 350. This video demonstrates how to use the Habitat Suitability Criteria tools for habitat analysis in EEMS. The Habitat River model can be downloaded from our website. Information about this model is contained in the DM21 README Habitat River model in the download. Let's get started. This demonstration of habitat suitability analysis will use the burbot adult fish as an example. You can download the model and related files from the website. We will refer to information from the model and these files for this video demonstration. First, run the model you downloaded from the website using EEMS. Double-click on the EEMS icon. Go to the folder Habitat River. Drag and drop from the model folder onto the user interface. Click the Run EFDC Plus button. Once the model has finished running, we can do the habitat analysis. Click Refresh Model Output to load the model output. We will now demonstrate the habitat suitability analysis options. Go to the Model Analysis menu, then left mouse click the Habitat Analysis submenu. Right mouse click the Habitat Suitability Analysis submenu item. Open the spreadsheet file in the Data folder. The data shown in the PDF file is also contained in the spreadsheet to help you copy the content into the form. Enter the criteria ID as burbot adult. For the parameter option, select water depth from the drop-down list. Left mouse click on the suitability curve box and press Enter. Copy the water depth related data from the spreadsheet. Paste the data into the EEMS form and then click OK. Next, select velocity. Left mouse click on the suitability curve box and press Enter. Copy the velocity related data from the spreadsheet. Paste into the EEMS form and then click OK. Select the Series checkbox to generate a time series for this parameter. Set the start date and end date. The default values are the start and end times of the model run. Click the Generate Initial Time Series button. Click the OK button. Once the time series is generated, the secondary processing of extracted results options will be available. Select Weighted Usable Area versus Flow, or the WUA versus Q in the Type or Processing drop-down list. Left mouse click to the T versus Q box and press Enter. Go to the T versus Q tab, then copy the time series discharge from the spreadsheet. Paste the data into the EEMS form and then click OK. Click Save button to save the post-processor settings. Enter a file name, then click Save. Click the View WUA versus Q button. Click the Export button to export this series. Enter a file name, then click Save. Click the Close button. Select WUA time series in the Type or Processing drop-down list. Click the View WUA time series button. Click the Export button to export this series. Enter a file name, then click Save. Click the Close button. Select the Habitat Suitability Criteria or HSC time series in the Type or Processing drop-down list. Click the View HSC time series button. Click the Export button to export this series. Enter a file name, then click Save. Click the Close button. Click the OK button to exit the form. Now we will view the habitat suitability indices in the View 2D Plan view. Click the New 2D HXY View button. Click the Add New Model Layer button. For the primary group, select Water Level. For the parameter option, select Water Depth. Click the Add button. From the keyboard, press Ctrl+H to open the Habitat Options form. Check the Habitat Suitability Indices box. Click the Select button and then browse to the Burbot Adult file that was generated earlier. Click the OK button. Turn off the bottom elevation and water depth layers. Scroll through the results with the timing bar. Click the Close button to end.